Esinema le kamnara kedai todu ne pon la urnere Yesu kusode pon le tolosia Aijar atwan reketo nenda Aijarun neista adaun aitolomon kitusoma itekeda nganje nakada kumam aina peta nunuda pon kitolosi kesda pot ko jawnos kotom nada o district loko kabere maido loda rai pejiron loka polen kotom na ina peta nuk aito diar Esinema loka nganje naka kumam koraida MP loke buku loko kabere maido Alfred Edakasing sabuko limda ebe eraina boren dun daebe angaje naka kumam nesdo kwana daun ajena to na doketait na kokujum
atero kani me no cha a Yesu amewa binu nyuto ifili tim kere ilebwa kumam ilebjo kumam bibut kumam atimuma pilobangana kede pilobona kumam nyai kumam ilere Naka. And on behalf of all the stakeholders who have worked very hard to produce the first Jesus film in Kumam language, I now take the honor and the privilege to launch the first historical Kumam language Jesus film.
Einaindo na kwanado erauni boreni gangi aina prenwi kamnara kede Bible loda iwad counter kotom na ngaje nakada kumam David Wataba loda rai National Director lokada Life Ministry loko Uganda ngisebala daibe kachepelu neserai kanuka dai Juli Sineman kotom na da ngaje psine nwegiti gitanu inerio kotom na kwap na ko Uganda.
Now this is life changing because every time Jesus speaks to people in their heart language. And as the Lord enables us, we are going to continue doing this because we are soon launching another language. In Drulo, it is in Zombo. We'll be launching that sometime in July. And we'll continue doing that because we want Jesus to speak to people in their heart language. Because none of us should have to learn another language in order to know how to spend eternity with God.
Ingar no koluki kansan we gita lwe jasi kesa yala masko balas daibe e burina isi bebenar ay yanganar e jiri kame jasi tunga lwe gita no ngul lumame e pedorite da ay shom
giale mawdo mito bero paro piripikare alach pien mate solim tie mele munu tie do mele bwani pacho kani kumam lia mawdo tie so lubanga tino komina wenyo chenga tini di jo me Life Ministry bino kele a film mele kumam a me wan mogo do bedo tikiye karokata ngejno o makodwano mogo pikonyo nyane jiri ileb me pacho kane.
I played the part of Jesus. I acted Jesus. You will hear in the film.
So I'm very much honored and feared and I'm scared to have acted as Jesus. So I'm Jesus of Kaberemai.
Kosoda ngordan wajasi kesabalas daebe ebulinai nai nikeskwa pangor meminas eboy ore aite kede aipup akronoka Yesu kitosoma eteda Esinema.
Sinema mele kumam konyo wan mon iora totu tual karachel kedi dwewa e jingo chunywa iye e miyo wa ongeo kope kalubanga ituto
ame oloko ile kumam dotu nanango bino kane ango dangata cheli kom jaudo tie piloko film no kwanyo ile munu loke duogi ile me kumam le pacho ame jodede twero niang
Eraido kwana ngaje pnaka kuma madiopet kutoma ngaje sinaiche nuda itosomao Esinema keda ngaje pnada ore Michael Onyinge TV East Kukabiremaido District.